Hey everybody, we're here in Las Vegas again. Yeah, and this time we're staying at the Paris Hotel. So in the description below, we'll put our video for the Planet Hollywood. We had the Panorama Suite. This time we're in another suite today. So we'll show you this suite real quick. And just be kind of a short room tour only because Paris has so much else to show you. But we'll just do a quick room tour of this room. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. And let's check out our room.
Let's go.
Here we are heading to our room now, and we are in room 1527P in the Lemans Suite here. Hey, Steph. Right as you come in, ignore all of our luggage here, but you have a little kind of foyer area.
A map of Paris.
A really neat map of Paris right here. And then come into the room here. So we just checked in, so there's a little bit of a mess in here. We got some artwork on the wall there. You got your TV ottoman there. You have a lamp. You have two chairs. A little table in between. And you have your view here. Your thermostat over here. Now just to show the view, this view does not have the strip view. Or this room does not have the strip view. But this is what a non-strip view would look like from the Paris Hotel. So you have a little bit of the strip over to the right towards Cosmo, which is kind of over here, although you can't really see much. And that's Planet Hollywood right in front of us. You got your thermostat right here. And then coming this way is your bedroom area. So this is more like a one room type suite, but it's got some extra spaces we'll show you. King size bed, a little place in front to sit down there. You have lamp with plug on it, plenty of drawers there. Another lamp with a plug on it, plenty of storage down there as well. You do have two little small mirrors on the wall there for decoration. Here's your little desk area right here. Desk, chair, lamp, mirror. Turning around is your wet bar area here. So you have a full mirror here, everybody. And there's a backward Steph. And hey Steph. And then you have a sink right here, ice bucket. You have coffee maker. Down below is just some storage. And then over on this side here, sorry about that, is your refrigerator. And this refrigerator is empty. So in the suite here, there's not a mini bar. You actually have a working fridge you can use. And then here's some more artwork on the wall here. And you kind of come in here, you kind of turn to your right. You have a closet and luggage rack. And you can, technically speaking, kind of walk in this closet. It's got a little bit part here to the right. I wouldn't call it a full walk-in closet like you're used to, but it does have some extra storage there. Makeup area here, mirror, lamp, makeup table, chair. And turning around here is the bathroom. Bathroom here. Full-length mirror, double sinks, double mirrors. You have hair dryer, toilet paper towels on there. You have your amenities here. You have on this side here, jacuzzi tub. You have a shower here. And then turning back around, there's the full-size or full-length mirror again. You have your standard toilet and your bidet. So this is a pretty nice sized room. It's got a makeup area, kind of like a little hallway area, and a nice bedroom. It's a really nice sized room actually. It doesn't have like the separate living room, but it is a nice sized room.